Hello and welcome. My name is Dave. David Oisamoje. I'm back again with another design tutorial. My channel is all about creating passive income designs. Yes, you heard me right. Creating designs that make you passive income. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you always come back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video so you never miss out on a single video. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into this and work for you. Yes. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free. This is very important if you're serious about print on demand so that you don't waste your time. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to open canva.com. Canva.com is what I use for my designs. My designs are going to be quick, easy, and simple to create for yourself. So now all we have to do is to click create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Yes, you heard it right. 500 by 500. Make sure you stick around, don't click off so that you don't miss a single part of this video. You're gonna love it, and I'm gonna show you how to get Canva Pro free for 30 days. Let's hit create. We're just gonna create something unique right about now, something super simple, something that won't take your time. So with this, we're gonna start with text. So we're just gonna click on text, and I'm just gonna find the font text I can use for this font text. So let's find the font text we can use. Okay, let's see this. Sorry about that. So let's do this. We're just gonna open here for us. We're just gonna make it bigger. To make it bigger, all you have to do is to move your cursor to this edge. Sorry about all these things popping up. Move your cursor to this edge, press on your left mouse click button and drag outwards like so. Just drag outward like so. So now we want to get rid, we want to ungroup because they are all joined together. We want to ungroup that. Click outside like so. Click on this. You don't need that, so you delete that. We also don't need this, so you delete that also. So this is one we want to just double tap, Control A to highlight it all. So we have highlighted it. Now I'll just want to click on a very unique button, which is just this one. Okay, so as you can see, so I'll make it bigger like so. Yes, you understand what I'm trying to do now as we go ahead. You understand what we're trying to do. So now I'm just gonna move this to the middle like so, make it a little bit bigger once more. Okay, just like that. Then now we're just going to come over to shapes. Come over to shapes. Pick the circular shape. That's what we want. We just make it smaller like so. Okay, change the color to black. Obviously, we're trying to create a cool design here, so just move it like so. And now we're going to duplicate this. So to do that, we're going to press our Alt key button, our left mouse click button, and just drag down like so. Okay, so now we're just going to also duplicate it to the left, to the right, sorry. So just do that like so. And now we're going to duplicate it upwards like that. Okay, so now we have this cool looking design. You can see there's this cool looking effect. For this, we're just gonna drag it out more a bit and move it to the middle like so. Okay, so you just have this catchy smiley effect, as you can see. Just have this catchy smiley effect like so. So now we're just gonna say pick one for this. Control A. Let me see if I can change Control A. Let me see if I can change the font color. Sorry, the font text to something more interesting. Okay. Okay, I think this is cool. So now we're just going to shift it around. Okay, because I'm trying to create a smiling and sad effect, as you can see. Okay, so we're just going to put this eyes more to the left and more to the right. Okay, so now we have this effect. We have the effect there for ourselves. We have the smiley face or we have the sad face, and which one. Okay, so now that we have it, we're just going to go back to our text now and just add something. Just going to add something to it. Okay, so we're just going to add something to it. It says kind of look too thick. Let's see if we can get a slimmer one. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. You see, we've got what we just need. All we need is super close. So now we just move that. Okay. Okay. So just move that like so. Move that a bit. Now we just do that with this one also. Okay, so we have a smiling and sad face. So now we just go to our text and just add in a little word. So this one, we're just gonna use this text, make it bigger. Okay. So this one we're just gonna say pick. Okay, just like that. And we do O-N-E. Okay, as you can see, this top color is quite different. We might not want that. I want something black, just like that. I'll do that too. For this, we just change that. You see, you have pick one. Let's change the O to a capital O. Okay, so now you see we have a cool looking design. A cool looking design for ourselves. It just took us about 6 minutes to create this design. It's super easy, not complicated at all. So you can just move this down a bit like so. So we have that, a smiling face and a sad face. It's your choice to pick one. Which would you pick? It's all your choice. So you're just going to pick one from it. Now, if you want to get Canva Pro, make sure you check the first link in the description. Yes, you heard me right. It's totally free. Don't be scared. You're not going to lose your money. It's totally free. The first link in the description to get Canva Pro for yourself. Make sure you hit that first link and it opens on the new tab. Make sure you get it for yourself. Secondly, you need Canva Pro because you want to get rid of the white background. If you're already watching my videos, you would have seen I got rid of the white background. So my image, my design came without the white background. So now I'm just going to hit download. Once you're on premium, once you've signed up with my link, the first link in the description to get free, you click on transparent background and you hit download. And it's going to download for you. It's going to download for you. Once it's done downloading, make sure you always cross check to make sure it's downloaded properly. So now we're just going to cross check that it's downloaded properly. As you can see, it's going to load up. So just click on it and it says pick one. You see how easy it is to create this design and you're good to go. So that's it. With that said, I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed, one love, be happy, and don't get involved in cuckoo cars of any nature. Please like, share, subscribe if you've not done any of this already. Make sure you do those 3 things. I really appreciate you guys. And with that said, I'm definitely going to see you on the next video. One love.